This 2024 Ember RV Touring Edition 29 million rupees is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Bunker Hill, Indiana, 46914 and is offered for sale by RV Dynasty. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Ember RV is 35 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, Murphy bed, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.